We're talking cordless tools with hoses when we get back. I'm Tim Johnson and this is Shop Tool Reviews. This is the DeWalt DCC2560T1 and it's their FlexVolt 2.5 gallon compressor, and that's the kit. The T1 is the kit that comes with a 2 amp hour 60 volt battery as well as the charger and the compressor. Now I say 2 amp hour 60 volt because it is a FlexVolt battery, but you'll notice it says 6 amp hour here, but that's really on the 20 volt side. So please understand, when you're running at 60 volts, which is what this compressor is, you're going to actually divide by 3, so you're going to get a 2 amp hour runtime or 2 amp hours on the 60 volt side. Still, even so, at a 2 amp hour at 60 volts, you're getting a little over 1,200 brad nails shot with a full charge of a battery. So you're getting a lot of work done even with that one battery. Now this is a 135 PSI compressor, and then you can actually dial in your output very easily. That's one thing that's really nice about this. Is this single dial here, you're not having to twist and twist and twist. You just turn it to where you want it and set that output, but the tank is going to come up to 135 PSI. Now to take this from empty to 135 PSI took right about 2 minutes to take that all the way up to the top, and this was about a 75-degree day and kind of mid-humidity, so that may change based on the atmosphere, but you're going to get about 2 minutes to take it from empty all the way up to 135 PSI. Now with that, with the tank full, I was able to take a framing nailer and shoot 2 3/8 inch plastic collated ring shank nails and get 6 shots in before it actually cycled on again and actually topped that tank off. Now it's probably not something you're going to use this for as far as framing, but in a pinch you can do it. It shot the nails just fine, and also, like I said, I got about 6 shots in before it actually went into a cycle again, and then it took about 30 seconds to fill. In timing several of these, it was anywhere from 28 to 32 seconds, so I'm calling it 30 seconds. Now, with an 18 gauge brad nailer, something that you're typically going to use with this, you know, something that a finisher is going to use, then it was able to shoot 12 of those 2-inch nails before it actually cycled on again and needed to fill up. And again, we saw that 30-second average to top that tank off. Now it is a 1.2 SCFM at 90 PSI. So your typical air tools, you're going to run at 90 PSI. Basically this is a 1.2 SCFM. So really great compressor. It's at the Home Depot for only $299, and that is the kit. That comes with that FlexVolt 2 amp hour 60 volt battery, as well as the charger and the compressor. So make sure you check that out. Also keep track of us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel and have a great day.